Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make frame photo in Affinity. By the end, you'll know how to turn any shape into a clean, reusable picture frame and place your image inside it with control and precision. This is a really useful technique when you want consistent image layouts without manually cropping every photo. Start with your document open in Affinity and make sure you can see the left toolbar and the top menu. This process works great for social posts, prints, or mock-ups, so pick a canvas size that suits your project before you begin. Choosing the correct dimensions first can save you from having to resize the entire design later, especially if you're creating something for Instagram, a printed layout, or a product presentation. Next, head to the Shape tool on the left side. You can choose a rectangle for a classic print look, an ellipse for a circular frame, or any shape that matches your style. Click and drag on the canvas to draw it. You can also experiment with more creative shapes if your design needs something less traditional. If you want a perfect square or circle, hold Shift as you drag. You can adjust the stroke color and width now if you want a visible border. The fill color doesn't matter because the image will replace it. Don't worry about exact placement yet. You can refine it later. At this stage, focus mainly on getting the overall size and shape close to what you want. With the shape drawn, right-click directly on it and choose Convert to Picture Frame. Your shape is now a container, which means it will crop and hold the image without permanently cutting anything. This is helpful because your original photo stays intact, so you can reposition or rescale it inside the frame whenever you need to. You can still resize the frame with the Move tool, and the picture will conform to the shape's boundaries. If snapping is on, it will help you align the frame to the canvas edges or center. Snapping is especially useful when you're building clean layouts with multiple frames, because it helps maintain consistent spacing and alignment. While the frame is selected, go to File at the top, click Place, and choose the image you want to insert. Click once inside the frame to drop it in. As soon as the image is placed, Affinity will keep it contained within the boundaries of your frame. If the image doesn't fit perfectly, use the On-Canvas handles or the Context toolbar to scale and reposition. Keep the aspect ratio locked to avoid distortion, and drag the image within the frame until the subject sits exactly where you want it. For portraits, for example, you may want to position the face away from the edge and leave enough breathing room around the subject. You can tweak the frame stroke to create a clean border and resize or rotate the whole frame as needed. A subtle stroke can help separate the image from the background, while rotating the frame slightly can create a more casual or scrapbook-style layout. That's it! You've turned a simple shape into a polished picture frame in Affinity and placed your photo professionally inside. Once you've created one frame, you can duplicate it and swap in different photos to build galleries, social media templates, mock-ups, or consistent photo layouts much faster.